Taking the TOEFL your passport to English proficiency. Have you ever dreamed of studying in an English-speaking country? Imagine walking through the halls of a prestigious university, engaging in lively discussions, and immersing yourself in a new culture. Maybe you're thinking about applying to a university in the United States, Canada, or Australia. These countries offer a wealth of opportunities and experiences that can shape your future. Or perhaps you're considering a postgraduate program in the United Kingdom, known for its rich academic heritage and world-class institutions. To make that dream a reality, you'll likely need to take the TOEFL test. This test is a crucial step in your journey towards academic success in an English-speaking environment. TOEFL stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language. It's designed to assess your proficiency in reading, writing, listening, and speaking English. It's a standardized test that measures your ability to use and understand English in an academic setting. This means you'll be evaluated on how well you can comprehend lectures, participate in discussions, and complete assignments. Think of it as a way to show universities that you're ready to handle their coursework, lectures, and conversations. It's your chance to demonstrate your readiness for the academic challenges ahead. The TOEFL test is recognized by more than 11,000 institutions in over 150 countries, making it one of the most widely accepted English language proficiency tests in the world. This global recognition can open doors to countless educational opportunities. Whether you're applying for undergraduate or graduate programs, the TOEFL can help you open doors to exciting academic opportunities. It can be the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your educational goals. So if you're ready to embark on an incredible journey of learning and growth, understanding the TOEFL test is a great place to start. Prepare well, stay focused, and soon you'll be on your way to achieving your dreams. Why is the TOEFL test so important? Imagine you're a university admissions officer. You receive thousands of applications from students all over the world. How do you decide who is ready for the challenges of studying in English? It's a daunting task, isn't it? This is where the TOEFL test comes in. It acts as a standardized measure. The TOEFL test provides a fair and objective assessment of English language skills. It evaluates reading, listening, speaking, and writing. It helps universities ensure that all students admitted to their programs have the necessary language abilities to succeed. This is crucial for maintaining academic standards. Your TOEFL score is a powerful indicator of your English proficiency, demonstrating your readiness for academic rigor. It shows you can handle coursework in English. A good TOEFL score can significantly boost your chances of getting accepted into your dream university. It sets you apart from other applicants. It can also open doors to scholarships, financial aid, and other opportunities. Many institutions offer financial support based on TOEFL scores. Furthermore, the skills you develop while preparing for the TOEFL test, reading, listening, speaking, and writing, are valuable assets that will serve you well throughout your academic journey and beyond. These skills are not just for the test, they are for life. Decoding the TOEFL, the reading section. The TOEFL reading section is designed to assess your ability to understand academic texts in English. Imagine yourself in a university lecture hall, poring over textbooks and scholarly articles. The reading section simulates this experience. You'll be presented with 3 to 4 passages on various academic topics, ranging from history and science to art and literature. These passages are similar in complexity and length to the readings you'll encounter in university courses. After reading each passage, you'll answer a series of multiple-choice questions that test your comprehension of the material. These questions may ask you to identify the main idea, define vocabulary words in context, understand the author's purpose, or make inferences based on the information presented. The reading section not only measures your reading comprehension skills, but also your ability to analyze and synthesize information from complex texts. Mastering the TOEFL tips for reading success. To excel in the TOEFL reading section, consider these strategies. First, practice active reading. Engage with the text by underlining keywords, jotting down notes in the margins, and summarizing paragraphs in your own words. Next, focus on understanding the structure of the passage. Identify the main idea of each paragraph and pay attention to how supporting details and examples contribute to the overall message. Expand your vocabulary. Encountering unfamiliar words is common in academic reading. Use context clues to decipher their meaning or make educated guesses based on the surrounding sentences. Finally, manage your time effectively. You'll have 60 to 80 minutes to complete the reading section, so pace yourself accordingly. Don't get bogged down on a single question. If you're struggling, move on and return to it later if time permits. Section 5. Tuning in. The TOEFL listening section. The TOEFL listening section assesses your ability to understand spoken English in academic settings. Picture yourself in a lecture hall, listening attentively as a professor delivers a captivating lecture. The listening section recreates this scenario. You'll listen to audio recordings of lectures, conversations, and discussions. These recordings feature a variety of accents and speaking styles, reflecting the diversity of English speakers you'll encounter in an academic environment. After each listening passage, you'll answer multiple-choice questions that test your comprehension of the material. These questions may ask you to identify the main idea, summarize key points, understand the speaker's attitude or purpose, or draw inferences based on the information presented. The listening section not only evaluates your listening comprehension skills, but also your ability to focus, take notes, and remember important details. Section 6. Sharpening your ears. Strategies for TOEFL listening. To succeed in the TOEFL listening section, try these techniques. First, familiarize yourself with different accents and speaking styles. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, or engage in conversations with English speakers from various backgrounds. Practice active listening. While listening to the recordings, focus on understanding the main idea, identifying key supporting details, and paying attention to the speaker's tone and inflection. Take notes effectively. Develop a system for jotting down keywords, phrases, and important concepts. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time. Don't get distracted. During the test, minimize distractions by finding a quiet spot, wearing noise-cancelling headphones if permitted, and focusing solely on the audio recordings. Section 7. Finding your voice. The TOEFL speaking section. The TOEFL speaking section evaluates your ability to communicate effectively in spoken English. Imagine yourself participating in classroom discussions, presenting your ideas, or engaging in conversations with professors and fellow students. The speaking section simulates these scenarios. You'll be presented with 6 speaking tasks that require you to express your opinions, share experiences, summarize information, and synthesize material from readings and lectures. You'll have a short amount of preparation time for each task, followed by a recording session where you'll speak into a microphone. The speaking section assesses your pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and ability to organize your thoughts coherently. It's an opportunity to demonstrate your confidence and proficiency in spoken English. Section 8. Speaking your way to success. TOEFL. Speaking tips. To excel in the TOEFL speaking section, consider these strategies. Practice speaking English regularly. Engage in conversations with native speakers. Join language exchange groups, or record yourself speaking, and listen for areas of improvement. Structure your responses clearly. Use a logical organization for your ideas, such as stating your main point, providing supporting details, and summarizing your thoughts. Pay attention to pronunciation and intonation. Practice speaking clearly and enunciating your words. Listen to recordings of native speakers to improve your intonation and rhythm. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The most important thing is to communicate your ideas effectively. Focus on fluency and clarity rather than perfection. Section 9. Putting it in writing. The TOEFL writing section. The TOEFL writing section assesses your ability to express yourself effectively in written English, which is a crucial skill for academic success. Imagine yourself crafting well-reasoned essays and persuasive arguments in your university courses, where clear communication is key. The writing section simulates these academic writing tasks, preparing you for real-world academic challenges. You'll be presented with 2 writing tasks, an integrated writing task and an independent writing task, each designed to test different aspects of your writing skills. In the integrated writing task, you'll read a passage and listen to a lecture on the same topic, combining information from both sources. You'll then write an essay that summarizes the main points of both the reading and the listening material, demonstrating your ability to synthesize information. In the independent writing task, you'll be given a prompt and asked to express your opinion, Share an experience or discuss a topic in detail, showcasing your individual perspective. You'll need to develop your ideas logically, support them with evidence, and use appropriate grammar and vocabulary to make your argument compelling. The writing section evaluates your ability to organize your thoughts, develop coherent arguments, use accurate grammar and vocabulary, and write in a clear and concise style, all of which are essential for academic writing success.